Okay, how to set the sat nav in this VW Scirocco. Any screen, onto nav. Here you've got new destination, my destinations, my tours, places of interest, view, radio. So new destination, United Kingdom, city. So onto city. In the corner here, I've said this before, there's a massive space bar here. In the corner, PTCD, which is short for postcode. Why they don't extend that, make the space bar shorter, so you can actually see that's postcode. Click postcode. We want letters first of all, so onto letters. That was on numbers. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then we want the numbers, so down to there, 5, space, back to numbers, 4. That's a stupid design as well. When there's two numbers, you have to go back to letters to put a space in, to then put the 4 in, then back to letters, J, where's S gone? So that's it, PR5, 4JS, click that, and then click start. That's it.